Laura Africa. Laura Africa kama kawaida. So today I want to cook mgongo in a traditional way. Look at it. This is very sweet. I want to cook it, and I'm going to cook it using my pot. This is my pot, and this is my meko. This is my traditional kitchen. So you are going to light the fire. We are supposed to have the fire, and then we are making the fire. Share and like. That is the firewood. We are going to make the fire so that we can boil the water using our pot. I'm making my fire. I'm lighting up the fire using my firewood. So this is my pot. This is my pot, and I'm boiling water to wash the fish. This is magadi soda or munyu in my Luya language. The other people call it soda ash or magadi soda. It helps the food to soften faster. The bitterness helps it to be very soft and softer. You can use it to cook various types of food. The kienyeji. Now, I'm going to take my fish and put it in my pot so that it can start boiling. Now this is my fish. I'm putting it in my pot. Just have a look. And then I'm going to add the soda ash or the mshereha. Now I'm adding, and I'm going to add some water to the soda ash or mshereha. After adding some water, I'm going to let it boil. So let it boil. The fish is boiling. You just let it boil. So my fish is ready. I'm serving it with ugali. You can look at my pot. It is traditional. In African traditional society, they did not have like our modern plates. Look, just have a look the way they used to serve their food. I'm eating my fish with ugali. Just have a look, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Laura Africa with African content.